COVID-19 cases and quarantines are mounting in Tennessee schools, forcing several districts here in the mid-state to close for days at a time.
So now the state is under investigation by the federal government over the COVID policies. We spoke exclusively with the U.S. Secretary of Education about taking that step against Tennessee. Here's Nikel with what he had to say.
Yeah, we talked with Education Secretary Miguel Cardona after the Education Department opened civil rights investigations into 5 states, including Tennessee. The states have banned or limited mask requirements in schools, but federal education leaders say the policies could amount to discrimination against students with disabilities or health conditions. Federal law says students with disabilities must be given access to a free, appropriate public education alongside their peers without disabilities. But the Education Department says states that outlaw mask mandates could be preventing schools from taking necessary steps to protect students with disabilities or medical conditions. Secretary Cardona says their goal is to work with leaders in Tennessee to make sure they're doing everything possible to give local leaders and health officials the tools they need to keep students in the classroom where they learn best.
I really wish we didn't have to take this step. We should be talking about school reopening. We should be talking about all the opportunities students are going to have after 18 months of a pandemic that disrupted their learning in ways we couldn't even imagine 2 to 3 years ago. That's what we should be focusing on. But instead, we're talking about the civil rights of students to go into schools that are safe, using the mitigation strategies that we know work.
Governor Bill Lee says his office is reviewing the details of the investigation after receiving it Monday to see what steps need to be taken next. When asked for his reaction, the governor said it's very important to respect and protect the rights of everyone, including parents and their decision-making process with regards to their children.